What's the meaning of apathetic? Apathetic. Apathetic. Apathetic.
Apathetic. Apathetic. The word apathetic refers to a lack of enthusiasm, emotion, or interest in something. It describes a feeling of indifference or disinterest towards a certain topic or situation. Apathy can manifest in different forms, such as being unresponsive, passive, or unconcerned. It may result from various factors, such as boredom, fatigue, disappointment, or even depression. Apathy can have negative consequences, including reduced productivity, lack of motivation, and decreased quality of life. Therefore, it is important to recognize and address apathy to prevent its negative impact on oneself and others.